What if you could run a whole team of AI agents? Not just one chatbot, but a coordinated squad, without spending $1 on API costs? That's the experiment I'm running right now. Live. In public. Yesterday was day 2, and I watched multi-instance orchestration actually fire across Discord for the first time. No crashes. No runaway token bills. Just agents doing their jobs. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I got here, what broke along the way, and the one architecture decision that changed everything. Here's the trap most builders fall into. You build one agent, then you try to bolt on a paywall inside it. Free users get this. Paid users get that. All handled by if statements inside the same bot. It sounds clean. It is absolutely not clean. I learned this the hard way juggling 3 parallel projects while also working a day job. The conditional logic becomes a maintenance nightmare. Tokens get wasted on users who shouldn't be hitting premium endpoints. And debugging becomes a guessing game. This is a distributed systems problem, not a features problem. The lesson that hit hardest this week. Free versus paid separation belongs at the bot level, not inside the bot. Spin up a dedicated free tier agent. Spin up a separate paid tier agent. Different tokens. Different memory files. Different Discord presence. They don't share logic. They share nothing except maybe a coordination layer. And speaking of memory, every agent in my system now gets its own soul file and memory file. Persistent context that survives restarts. When an agent comes back online, it knows who it is and what it was doing. That's not a nice to have. That's the whole game. Let me walk you through what I actually built this week. I drafted configuration files for 4 distinct agents, each with a role. One for development tasks, one for drafting content, one for scouting new data, one for operations. Each agent gets scaffolded with its own Discord bot connection and its own persistent memory. Structure. Token management is still the bottleneck, waiting on API confirmations before full deployment. But the scaffolding is done. Meanwhile, my trading bot is running parallel to all of this. 13 of 18 strategies are currently profitable on a virtual $100,000 portfolio. Patient. Signal filtered. No drama. That's the goal for the agent team too. Here's what day 2 actually looked like in numbers. Virtual trading portfolio sitting around $100,000. Up about $230 cumulative. Small number. But the point is discipline. No major swings. Strategies filtering signal from noise exactly as designed. On the agent side, multi-agent orchestration framework is functional. My chess app is still pulling in subscriber revenue. Proof that the market for AI-adjacent tools absolutely exists. And here's the competitive detail I can't leave out. My wife's bots hit stability milestones before mine did. Full credit where it's due. That's the fuel that keeps the late nights going. 3 ideas are burning in my head right now. First, what if a free tier agent could automatically escalate to paid tier when it hits a specific failure mode? No human in the loop. Just smart routing. Second, a unified dashboard across all agent instances instead of jumping between Discord channels to see what's happening. Third, true agent collaboration. Not just parallel execution. Agents passing context to each other on complex tasks. If any of this is the kind of content you want to see built in real time, hit subscribe. Drop a comment telling me which of those 3 you want to see first. I'll build it next. See you in the next one.